All right, in this video, we're actually going to go ahead and replace the reverse lights that have actually gone out. I'm going to replace with the new bulbs here, 1156. So just actually took off the license plate and just going in here, it's going to be just a twist. And it's over here. That's not too complicated. So we're going to go ahead and just replace that bulb. All right, so I got the bulb out and it's just, or the piece out, you just pull out the bulb. So this is the old one. It's seen better days. So we'll put the new one and you just got to line it up. There's two kind of pins over here that you just slide and match right in here. So I see it over here, so I just slide it right in. There we go. So that's in. Then you just put it right back. It's kind of a twist. There's two pieces right here that will connect right back into it. So just line it up. Had it. So the one on the right is snapped back in. When you replace one, it's always do it in pairs. So we're going to do the same on this side here, even though this one is working. But again, you always want to change lights in pairs. So kind of a twist. All right, so I replaced the other side here, and now I'll just be reassembling it back, similar way I did with the one on the right. All right, they're both in, and let's test the reverse lights. Let's check it out. All right, so there you have it. That's how you actually change the reverse lights on a C4 Corvette. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.